Hi everybody, this is Lanaya Maybon, also known as Mayor Maybonski Love Jr. Get tuned in and get your workout clothes on. We now will have the Richarda Simmons show.
What's up? What's up? It's your favorite mayor, Maybonski Love, checking in on this Ratchet Richarda Simmons show, baby. What's up? Y'all thought I wasn't gonna have it popping? First, we gotta stretch that belly, baby. Stretch that belly, make it pop. See it roll and roll and roll.
Touch your toes.
All right, we got that belly. Let go like this, go. All right, whew. I feel that that belly done popped some and it went down. Now we're gonna start off with our stretches again. Let's get it. And then this. Woo! Wait a minute. Oh, that was. Wait a minute. Okay. All right, now we're gonna try something different this time. We're gonna combine these couches. We're gonna go this one and this one. We're gonna stretch. And matter of fact, we're gonna do some. Wait a minute, maybe we ain't. Okay. We was gonna do some, no, ooh, wait a minute. Okay, hold on. Alright, we ain't gonna do that. I ain't ready for that. We're gonna do that next time. Now, we done did though. Next, we're gonna do some toe touches. We're gonna do 5 of them. Ready, set, go, touch them toes.
Yay!
Jumping, y'all. We gonna get this.
Let's go, mommy. Let's go.
Now, jumping jacks. 10 of them. Hey, we might do 15. I'm in the zone, baby. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Woohoo! Let's go. Man, I'm feeling this, y'all. I'm feeling good. I feel so good. I'm a running place. We gotta go. We gotta get this one. Come on, y'all. Keep up. We gotta run. Yes. Woo. Yes. Man, I feel this, y'all. Now, we did sit-ups last time. Now, we're gonna do some more. Oh, okay. All right. Oh, my head. All right. Y'all know, I gotta do like 3 of them before I get them right. The goal is 5 sit-ups. Help me, Lord. Let's go. Don't watch my belly. Watch my Lord.
You can do it, Mommy. I believe in you. Let's go.
You ready?
Go. 1.
That's 1.
No.
Okay. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 more for good man. Okay. Now, we're gonna do some more push. Okay. Breathe. Lord have mercy. Okay. Oh, bless my carpet. Ready, Stay in. Go. Okay. Oops. 3. Oh. Okay. Now. Last time.
Yo, carpet got it on me.
I clean. But last time I did the clap and I failed. But
This time.
I think I got it perfected. So this time we're gonna try to clap push up again. Okay? I'm gonna do a couple regular ones first to prepare myself. Oh Lord. Okay. All right. Ready? Okay. I'm ready. And you ready? You ready, Lenore?
We ready.
Can we do this?
We can do this.
Honey, got this?
You got this.
Oh, Lord, let's show
Let's do this.
Okay. Ready? Stand.
Go.
Go. Oh, shoot. We got it. I ain't giving up. I can do this. I can do this clap. Oh, Lord. Oh, I can't even get back. I can do this clap. Okay. 1, 2.
Go. I missed it. I missed it.
That's okay. Because I ain't giving up. I got this. The higher I go, the better chance I got.
Let's do this.
Here we
1,
go.
2, 3, 4.
Say, go. Oh, okay. That's enough of that.
Let's try again next time. Yes. Woo!
Okay. Now, we ain't done. We got now, see what y'all did?
Y'all see what y'all done done.
All right. Now, let's see. What else can we do tonight?
Well, I have an idea. How about we run up the steps?
Another exercise. I ain't sweating enough.
Oh, I got an idea.
What?
Let's try and lift our leg. We gotta sit on the couch and do this one. Actually, that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Okay, so like you gotta like lift your leg up out. Like if you.
I can't lift my leg. That's why mommy's single. Let's do some squats.
Oh, squats. Let's do that. Let's do this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's go, mommy. You got this. Sit. Oh.
Killing it.
Oh. Oh, kill him. Stab it. Oh. Kill him. You got this. Oh. Oh, she killed it.
Yeah.
She did it.
All right. Oh.
You want me to go get my death ball?
Now, remember the dance. We go.
You sweating in your stomach, I think.
We go.
Your belly
Up. Okay. That was fun. I forgot the dance. I think I was drunk then. No?
Right,
All
left,
right.
up,
We're going to do these stairs.
down.
After these stairs, it's a wrap. Go ahead now. Let's go. You can keep it. Let's go.
Tell me when you're ready.
Come on. Okay. Now, I know I did 3 the last time, but I don't know about this. We working it. All right. Okay. Ready? Oh Lord, have mercy. Ready? Say it. Okay. I got this. That's half.
Yeah, let's go. Woohoo!
That's 1. Okay.
1.5. 2. 2 and 1 4, 2 and 2 4, 2 and 3 4, 2 and 4 4. Which makes that 1 hole.
3. That's 3. I got this. Okay.
3.5. You got this. You got this. Go, go, go.
Good God, man.
Good guy. You call him. Call him. He gonna bless you.
He gonna bless you. Real good. Okay. I quit. I quit.
Press E.
I quit. Turn the camera.